In this second part of the video, we're going to be looking at map package and layer package. What do they mean? Now we look at in the last video map document and layer file, right? So I believe you have a better understanding between those two. Now we're going to look at map package and layer package. Now we're going to start with the layer package. What do we mean by layer package? It's as similar as the layer file, but this time around we're dealing with the package, which means basically if I want to export the DEM file that is embedded inside this map, this is the DEM file. I just want to, as like I said, layer one, just one of it. So if I want to export this, or if I want to save it as a layer package, meaning if I save it as a package, I don't need a reference this time around, but I can share it to anyone with everything, both the data and everything is inside, but it's just going to focus on just that layer. It's not going to take lay, the it's not going to take the layout with it. All right, so let's right click on this and then we'll come to create layer package. Now just the way you see, we have the layer package is just going to be the DM, and then the description. Now we're going to describe what this is. I'm not going to write anything. I'm just going to press my keyboard some more, just because you have to fill all of this and all of that. So at every time you want to do, you must click on analyze. Now it's saying that a layer description is missing. Layer description. I don't describe them now. I've described it. It's still saying the same thing. So this is what we really want me to write. I know do okay, let me copy something random and add to it. Let's copy something random from anywhere. Oh, let's copy something from here. And see. What do these people want me to write? For packaging. Yes, I did that now. Let me just find some write-up. I think we'll solve all of that. Maybe they want the writing long, so let's see. A high 005 48 45 DM file. A layer description is required. Ha Chineke. Always select this. So are they saying this is not description enough? Let's copy something from here and see. Since they are looking for description, let's give them description. Sorry, it's taking a bit of time. I wasn't anticipating this. Which one can't be layer description again now? So it cannot publish, or what are these people saying? Come on, let's Let's come back to it again. Layer packaged description. Okay. Now you're saying missing tags. Okay. Tags will go, but why is this one still there? That's what I don't understand. Oh, did you see what happened? All right. So basically, it just brought me to this description that is on the general. So it wanted me, so you can see now, we just discovered something. Wow. So if you're saving a layer packaged, they want this description at the on the general. So you right click and go to property to go to general. Then that description, you need to put something. So you see that it is gone now. Wow. I just realized. I've never had to have, most of the data I use has that, so I never noticed. So now you click on analyze, you see that nothing is there, so you click on share. Now once you click on share, it's going to share this. It will extract this DEM only and show you, but it's not going to include this layout, just like we are in the final production. This is a final map here, so it's not going to show you with that. It's just going to show you the DEM. All right, that is what it's okay. So let's go to that folder and open this thing we just created now and see. So we have DEM here as a layer package. So let's open it while we do the other one. Okay, now so a map package, on the other hand, is packaging the whole map and sending out. You package the whole, whatever is on the map, the whole of it, every single thing. It will package it and share with your client, and they'll open it on no restriction whether what version it is or whatever it is. It will open. You can share it via WhatsApp, you can share it via email, you can share it via any means at all, and it reduces the size by compressing. How many of you notice if you want to install ArcGIS, both either the desktop or the Pro, you realize that it has one globe symbol. So once you click on it, it now begins to extract. It's the same technology that was used in packaging this map package or layer package that was used in reproducing that their software. They use the same technology to compress the software. So once you click on it, extract, and go to your document, when you go to document, you will see all the files that are supposed to be available there. All right. So this is the whole idea behind it, and then it has enormous advantage. So any geospatial analyst that you want to share your data, you do your best to share it as a map packaged. Okay. So if you want to do map package, which we have several videos we have done this on, so but we're just going to still do it based on we're trying to compare the two. You click on file, and then you come down to share as. Then you will see map package and you see service. Service is almost the same thing, but service is for online. You share it via ArcGIS online and all of that. But map package is done for this very object can be shared, and then ArcMap, all of this can open. All right. So now you're telling where you want it to save. This is the name, and then this is where it's gonna be saved. Okay. So I can change the name because I already have one there right now that has the same name. So I'm just going to say administrative map.mpk, and make sure you include enterprise geodatabase data instead of referencing the data. All right, so you put all the geodatabase that was used in creating all of these together, so it will now include it. So you go to description. Now we have it as a geopolitical map. We have all the description that we need here. The credit is for LI Geospatial, and then you will analyze it to be sure that nothing is missing. So there's no items shown. So you click on share. Now once you click on share, it will compress it. Now you're asking you to resave this so that you have to save it, then it will now compress it for you. So basically this is how to do map package. And then the major difference is that while map package takes the whole of the map and its elements, scale, legend, everything, the grids and everything that is on it will be packaged into a compressed file, an entity called mpk, and then the other one, the layout package, is just to save a specific layout. I don't know how something happened that is not sharing, but let's do that again. So a layout, I think maybe because of the, let's add one to this maybe. Okay, let's change a folder basically. Okay, so it's going to come here. Let's leave it. So since that's the case, let's leave it. And then we click on share. So like I said, map package take all of it, while layer package takes just one layer. I think we've opened the layer, so let's look at it. I don't know whether it opens or it didn't open. Let's check. It's like it did not open, but then it's just going to open just that single layer, while the map package will open everything, and both of them can be shared, and all the person you share it to will be able to access whatever you have inside. All right, so I believe this is of help to you. So thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next video.